Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have the mesh asset ready and the proper client, 5M or Alt-V. Once done, place the mesh file in your resource or streaming folder. This is the active path the server reads. Next, open your trainer or resource manifest so you can reference the mesh file name exactly. Make sure to back up your current character files before uploading. This prevents loss if the mesh misbehaves. Do these steps now to avoid troubleshooting later. You will now import and map the mesh. Open FX Manifest. Lua and add the mesh and texture paths. Once saved, restart the resource to load assets. Then, assign the correct model hash and align bone and attachment points for head, eyes, and mouth so animations sync. After mapping, spawn the model locally and inspect textures, normal maps, and LOD transitions. If animations look off, adjust bone weights and the mesh origin until movement and facial expressions match. You finish by deploying the resource to the server and restarting the instance so everyone can download the mesh. Once live, instruct players to clear cache and restart their clients. This forces fresh asset pulls. Validate on multiple player ID and camera angles to ensure consistency. If faces clip, show seams, or blink incorrectly, recheck texture naming, suffixes, DDS/. It and bone names, those are the usual culprits. If problems persist, revert to your backup and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.